Hi, this is Mitch Luman, Director of Science Experiences, and I'm here to demonstrate one of our favorite demonstrations here at the museum, the fire tornado. What could be cooler than that? Fire and tornadoes. First, I want to point out that fires are a dangerous thing. Here on this planet, we have a very rich oxygen atmosphere, which tends to cause things to burn. When fire is introduced, you can get out of hand very quickly with the conditions that transpire, so always be careful with fire, and we're being very careful here. For the apparatus, I have a wastebasket and a container inside which will hold my combustible material, which in this case is going to be lighter fluid. I'm going to light the fire tornado, and first we're going to observe the flame, and then we're going to impart a force to the wastebasket. I have a Lazy Susan turntable underneath the wastebasket, which will cause a force to be introduced into the fire that isn't present when the wastebasket isn't turning. So let's get the experiment started, shall we? First, I'm going to add my lighter fluid. This is going to be my combustible material. In order to get the flame going, I'm going to use a hand lighter. Well, notice the flame. It looks like most fires. The burning that you see here rises because heat carries the flame higher. Hot air does rise. It pretty much goes straight up with a few small spurts and ups and downs, but watch what happens when I spin the Lazy Susan. See the fire tornado? Air in the room is being sucked in by the fire as it burns at the base of the flame, and the hot air rises, causing the tornado to rise along with it. Now, fire tornadoes are a real thing, not just something we can create here at the museum. Some very large forest fires do create fire tornadoes when a fire is hot enough and big enough that it sucks in air from all directions. It makes the tornado and rises high in the sky. So you have tornado force winds and forest fire hot temperatures, an awesomely terrible condition. Be safe out there. Happy New Year. This is Mitch Luman at the Evansville Museum.